round and hide in that little shower block and fucking deep down there in the shower block. Yeah. Like that, we live.
Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fucking hell, Dino. You're good, bro. Go on, bro, you clear. You clear, bro.
Got it.
Sweet.
Yeah. Pull, rope. Right, last man on me. Go to the other end of this. You can be my meat shield. Got it?
Yeah.
Wow. When he gets dead. Right, 2 men, up, go. 3 men, 3. Go. Get him.
Where are we going? Oh, is it around the left, yeah?
Go.
Right round the corner, bro.
Yeah, Dean's down the tree.
Yeah?
Alright, start lay fire. I'll be bait. Ready? Let's pull up a bit.
Push it up, Benji.
You make the call, I'm moving.
Where's this building now?
On our left.
On our left.
Can we get through this gap?
Try.
Window. Yeah. I just watch the window straight outwards, yeah.
Eyes on window.
Yeah.
Gotcha. See the building straight front?
Is that the one we're going to?
Yeah. Half direct front.
Yeah.
You ready to haul ass?
Yeah. Go on, go. Down here, down. We need a few of our boys to push up
I need
first.
some of you to push up.
It's too hot for us to go. See what I'm saying?
You push on the right.
There's not a lot of cover really, is there? We need our boys to go and clear it out really.
Either that, or make a run for the back wall.
Where?
The back wall. They won't be expecting you to come through that back wall.
Sure.
Where's that? Round this way?
Past the trees.
Okay. Do you want to try and go through there then?
We're going to have to fall back to do that though, aren't we?
I don't know how dense it is at the moment. It used to be really dense in the summer.
Right, we're going to shuffle on our knees down this passage on the right here.
Yeah.
Basically, we've got a short wall.
Oh, hold on. What, so what are we thinking? Straight down there?
Yeah, down behind them. Go.
You good, yeah?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Where are our boys?
Behind us.
Oh, hit! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Hold on, he's right there, he's got us. Whew.
You haven't been hit yet, have you? No. Push your head out, go, mate. You get down, we can pull you back and revive you.
He's ground level to the left.
You have a grenade?
Nice.
Good hit. Right, let's move.
2 kills there.
Go on, push your head.
There's someone right here. Someone right there.
There's some on the inside.
He domed me right on my nose.
Roger, push your head out.
One of them, and there's people outside as well.
Can you see him? See him? He's right there.
Wait, they're being revived. Do you have a grenade?
No. He's gone, he's moved.
Go. Get the revived, get the revived. Hit. Hit. Sorry, I thought you were a different person. That's all right, mate. No worries. Oh shit, down the road. Break,
I see him, I see him, I see him.
You down. Cover that side.
Can you have a revive?
Yeah.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit! Hit!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
To the fucking. A fucking team killed.
You're still on the game, mate.
Huh? Was it you that got me? Yeah. No problems, buddy.